How to fix iPhone switch off automatically and then not turning on. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix is launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on software update. Make sure you are using the latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iOS further. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then in general again scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then on reset, and then on reset all settings, or you can also do a factory reset, but make sure to do a backup before going ahead and doing a factory reset. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then go ahead and force restart your iPhone. Simply press and hold the volume up button, next quickly press and hold the volume down button, and then finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once force restarted, check if your issue is fixed. If not, make sure you are charging your iPhone correctly. Use a known good cable and charger. Leave it plugged for at least 30 minutes, and if battery was fully drained, it might take time to revive. And if your iPhone is very hot, let the phone cool off before trying again. Also, you can try to remove the case if needed. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can also inspect for liquid damage, inspect battery health, or evaluate if parts are worn out. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone automatically turning off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.